Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing this. I think it's new. I'm not sure though. I saw it from another YouTuber. Jessica Braun was trying it and she loved it. So this is the Shiseido. I know that the Shiseido Synchro Skin is not new, but this is the Radiant filter. I think this one's new, but if not, it's new to me. So I've never tried it before. So we're gonna try this out. And let's get started. We're gonna start off doing the TikTok method, just because that's what I do. I have to put my hair behind my shoulders. With all the other ones, so we're gonna stick to our routine. Now we're going to go in with our Bye Bye Pores to set this moisturizer, because this really for me fills in the lines and keeps it from moving around, keeps it from gathering, my foundation from gathering in the lines. And now we're going to spray it. I'm going to use my all-nighter from Urban Decay and just spray a little on there and grab my handy dandy fan, dry that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my CleanSlate primer, and I'm going to get it on my fingers and rub it real good to warm it up, and then I'm going to try and fill in all my pores. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Filter, and I am in the color, I'm gonna be forced to put my glasses on. Alder, 230 Alder. That's what color I am. Maybe I'll just put these on my head, and then I can get to them when I need them. So I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. Okay, 2 pumps is probably too much. It didn't look like much on my back of my hand. All right, let's grab a brush and just blend this out. We're going to be using that NYX concealer again, and I still haven't got the light. All right, now I'm going to go in with a sponge. Just make sure there's no brush strokes or anything. I like the color. It's very pretty. It's very radiant. Go in with our concealer. I'm going to use both my Pat McGrath and the NYX one. I'm going to start with the NYX one. And I'm just going to use this on the bags because it's darker. Than the Pat McGrath. And I think I'm going to use it up here too, because it just wore so well. It wasn't dry or anything. And then I'm going to use the Pat McGrath for all the other spots. This is why I want to get that in the light to see, because it wears so nicely. So far so good. It's very glowy, radiant. It's radiant, right? All right, let's go in with our powder. It looks nice. Let's add some color. I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown bronzer. and add some color back into my face. All right, now we're gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna use my Dallas. And some highlight. I'm using my Dandelion from Benefit. And then we're going to blend those all out. And that's the face. So now we're moving on to our eyes. I decided that I do not want to buy a Christmas palette this year because I have this Naughty palette from last year that is perfectly good. And there was so many palettes out that I didn't get to use this very much. As you can see, I've hardly used it. So we're going to use this one. But I'm sure that you can, if you want to try and make this look, whatever we end up doing, there's so many Christmas palettes out. And this is from BH Cosmetics. Their new palette probably has almost the same colors. So I'm sure you can find it. But I'm not buying any more limited edition ones because then you guys can't get them. So we're just gonna use the colors in here and I'm gonna show them to you so that you can try and match them. And I don't even know what I'm gonna use yet. But I'm thinking something red because it has that beautiful red color in there and I love red. So anyways, and I kind of put, you saw me put my bronzer up into my crease and above, so it's kind of my transition color already. So let's just pick a color and go right on in. I'm grabbing a fluffy brush here and we're gonna go in to, maybe we'll go in with this. Should we go in with the rust and then this rust down here? Yeah, we'll go in with this kind of orangey rust. Oh, they have names. It's Greeting is the name of this one. So if you have this palette from last year, that's what it is, Greeting. And it's that orange one in the corner there. And I'm just gonna, ooh, look at the pigment on that. We might want to tone that down a little bit. Pretty, but pretty much. It is pretty though. I may not get to use the red though, now that I've used this pretty bright orange. I'm just gonna keep blending until I can get it to move on up over here. I guess we're going with the orange color. Okay, there's some orange there. So now we are gonna go in, we are going into the next color and I'm gonna use that rust color in the corner. Way up here. And it is called Yuletide. Right there in the corner, that's what we're gonna use in our outer corner. I really want to tone down this orange a bit. I wasn't looking for an orange eyeball today. So, this looks like it's going to be the ticket to do it though. It's kind of got more red to it. Yes, I like that. I'm just gonna put some more in my crease. Okay, I like that. And now I'm gonna take my little finger into this bright red color that is called Rudolph. Look at that. And I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit of it like that, and then I'm gonna blend that. Wow. Now we're gonna go in with, I think we're gonna go into Cheers, which is right there. Looks like that was my favorite one. And I'm just gonna grab it on this brush. It's kind of orangey looking, but it's light and sparkly. Yeah, it doesn't look orangey at all now. And I'm just going to kind of pull it straight on over from the center all the way over, like 3/4 of the way. This one seems like it's got a lot of fallout, so tap it off good. I like that. Just gonna take my fluffy brush again and kind of tap it in place. I like it. So that's it, I think, for this. Oh, I should go underneath a little bit, huh? I'm gonna take that rust color in the corner, that Yuletide, and just run a little down below, just like that. We're gonna push line. And to push line, you put your little finger in the center of your eye and you push a little bit, and it makes the lash kind of curl up around your finger, and then you draw down between the lashes. And then you take your flat brush, like that, and you go from the top and you just wiggle it back and forth to make sure there's no skin showing. And then I kind of pull it up as I go to give it a little bit of a liner line, because sometimes that's all I do is just this liner line. I don't add liquid liner. And I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see how this looks first. Okay, that's it for the liner. That's all I'm gonna do. I decided just to do the pencil. That was the Maybelline Tatoo gel pencil. Okay, my camera turned off, so I put on my brows. I used my Ka-Brow from Benefit for my brows, and then I put on some mascara, and now I'm going to go off camera and put on my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done. I put on, these are the Jubilee lashes from Kiss. I think that's it. Oh, my lips, I put on the same thing I put on last time, which is this Charlotte Tilbury dupe. It's the Milani, the new Milani, and this is the color Secret. And then I put the City Beauty City Lips. It's like a lip plumper, but it's also a gloss over it, and this is San Diego. So I put those on. I did spray my face with this Maracuja Miracle Mist just to bring some of the shine back from the radiance. So far, this is what I think of this foundation. It is not my favorite, at least not yet. I think I'm going to try it again with less powder, maybe not doing the TikTok method underneath, because it looks a little dry. I mean, it doesn't feel dry. What do I got on my, oh, glue. But it looks dry on my, like, you know, I don't know. It's not flaky or anything, but it's just not, it's not a good look right here. Like I got too much stuff. So far, I mean, it looked really pretty when I put it on. So I think maybe I got too much powder to it. That's why I sprayed it though. I mean, not that you shouldn't spray it anyways, I just always forget. But I think the eyes turned out really pretty. So that's it. So far I'm giving it a meh, because I want to try it again on the Shiseido Radiant, because you saw how radiant it was. It looked beautiful. But I just can't not put powder, but I cannot put it underneath. So that's what I'm going to do next time. I'm not going to do the TikTok method underneath, and then I'm going to put it on top because I want to fill these lines and stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!